You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Let's see today's headline first. China's police captures Starknet airdrop identified, forges report. Tether invests $200 million in BlackRock, Neurotech launches Evo division. Indian Enforcement Directorate seized over $10 million cryptos linked to online gaming app. Vitalik Buterin breaks down Binance as a way to speed up zero knowledge proof. Nigeria restricts fintech onboarding to stop KYC evading crypto investors. Arkansas House Committee clears bills on crypto mining regulations. Phantom bets on safer meme coins with launch of $6.5 million dev fund. Vertex announces the buyback and stake program to for more reserves. Real world assets hits new peak with $8 billion log, reports Messari. Azuki NFT sales soared to over US $1.1 million in a day. Bonk surpasses Flocky Inu to become fifth largest meme coin. Coinbase increases Bitcoin transaction speeds with complete integrations of Lightning Network. Chinese authorities have captured a person suspected of identifying forgery related to Starknet airdrop. The suspect has assumed other people's identities and submitted over 40 false early committee member program airdrops forms, claiming over 40,000 STRK tokens that initially belongs to the victims. Tether, the giant behind the world's largest stablecoin USDT, announced $200 million strategic investment in BlackRock Neurotech, a brain interface company. The investment also marks the launch of Evo business divisions for the company that will examine investments and initiatives that merge tech and human potential. The Directorate of Enforcement of India have seized a major crypto money laundering case connected to a gaming app. The authority also seized frozen crypto assets worth 90 crore rupees in connections with the scam. Per the department's press release on Tuesday, the frozen cryptos were kept in 70 accounts linked to major crypto wallets Binance, Zeppi, and WazirX. Ethereum co-founders Vitalik Buterin have discussed a new cryptographic proving system that aims to achieve greater efficiency for zero-knowledge proofs. In a blog post on April 29th, Buterin explained a system for highly efficient cryptographic proofs over binary fields called Binance, which aims to deliver significant performances gains over traditional proof systems such as ZK Snarks. Central Bank of Nigeria directed four fintech companies to stop onboarding new customers amid Nigeria's ongoing efforts to strengthen Know Your Customers compliance in crypto and traditional investing. Crypto mining regulations are just one step away from being implemented in the state of Arkansas, according to local media reports on Tuesday in the state capital. Two proposals intended to tighten laws governing crypto mining in Arkansas comfortably passed a House committee. Layer 1 blockchain Phantom is pushing the idea of safer meme coins by getting aside $6.5 million worth of its native FTM tokens as a reward of Daves as it tries to get a slice of the nearly $50 billion sector. Vertex, a decentralized exchange protocol operating on Arbitrums, has recently announced an exclusive project. As per the platform, it is unveiling the buyback and stake program in which it deploy a part of reserved protocol revenue through the protocol treasury. On its X account, the platforms disclose the launch of its new project. That's all for today's crypto news. Stay tuned for more updates.